Why does the energy sea sometimes travel across vast distances, and other times seems trapped in a box, bouncing back and forth? This has to do with waveguides and resonant cavities. Imagine a soundproof room. When you shout in an open field, the sound quickly fades away. But in a well-designed room with smooth walls, the same shout will bounce around. And you'll hear a few clear echoes, some long like a hum and others sharp like clang, with all the other chaotic sounds canceling out. Only those echoes that match their rhythm survive. In the energy filament theory, waveguides and resonant cavities do exactly that. They use metal walls and the shape of the material to trap a small part of the energy sea, only allowing a few specific vibrations to exist and flow. A waveguide, for example, is like a long hallway where walls block out sideways vibrations, leaving only those that fit the width of the hallway. These vibrations bounce back and forth, perfectly matching the rhythm of the hallway, and so the disturbances in the field are collected into a tight bundle, which is then transmitted over long distances. On the other hand, a resonant cavity is like a sealed room where energy can bounce around freely at first, but the modes that don't fit the rhythm eventually get cancelled out. Only those that loop around and perfectly sync with their original rhythm are amplified each time they complete a round. Physically, we call these stable, self-consistent vibrations modes. Think of them as the standard moves allowed in this box. Waveguides and resonant cavities aren't trapping invisible energy or force. They're helping the field choose which vibrations are allowed. The field is filtering through the vast number of possible energy fluctuations and selecting only a few stable, usable motions. When we say modes are the usable field actions, you can imagine two things. One is a long hallway where only certain paths won't crash into the walls. The other is an echo chamber where only certain sound waves will keep reverberating. In this way, waveguides and cavities help direct the flow of energy, particles, and waves, choosing the paths that best suit the surrounding field. The energy sea is constantly at work, shaping its own vibrations and giving us the structure to build from. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.